Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes and no. It's been like a week of me since my last video. I'm sorry, but I was gone. I got some Robux. You also bought some game passes. I bought the VIP one, the Beat a Monster. You also bought the Infinite Lives pack, obviously. Guess what? Since I bought the Monster Game Pass, look at me now. And yes, and because of that, since I bought the Monster Game Pass, they reset my wins. Yes, I'm still mad about that. There's new story game called Cruise. I don't want to deal with that game, but everybody's trying to crowd me here. I don't get it. Oh yeah, because the guys they also changed my username on Roblox to yeah, yeah, guys. I changed my username on here. That's why. Everybody's crowding me, and it's all because of that white tea. My name, isn't it? I guess let me know. But let's hop in this game right here. Let's do this. You know what's getting music is muted for a purpose. And guess what? And there's a monster ending, and I'm gonna show you how to get it. I'm this video as well. So it's not just gameplay. It's also how I'm also showing you how to get the monster ending, because there is a monster ending, and it requires the monster game pass. Hey, guys, boy. Get out of the seat, boy. Thank you. I'll be taking a seat. Thank you very much. I like some music though, but I'll just keep music low though. So yeah, sorry. Um, why do you want me, bud? Eh? Guys, remember to join my Discord server. Link in the description. I'm also gonna link my my Twitter. Um, well, that's gonna link Mr. Big's Twitter as well. I'm also gonna link my Roblox group in the description as well, so that you can join that. And yeah, that's not making out the point. So yeah, apparently there's a monster thing the whole time that I never knew about. Yeah. So I was like, if there's a monster, I was like, yeah. Then how do you get it if there's a monster ending? Like, like, is there like, is there like, at first I was like, is there a hit a monster in the game? Then I am was on myself. Hold up. There's a monster game pass, so maybe it has something to do with that whole time. Uh, I had to prove it, and sure enough, it doesn't have to do with that. So in the long run, yes, guys, that's my fan in the background. It's just loud. Yes, maps are looking weird. Um, I have him a superior, I have him a superior torso, and him, I have him a gun, him a single arms, and my legs. I don't have any legs equipped, which is why they're all solid. Yeah, I don't ask questions. I don't know why. Hey, it's worth it, right? And plus my turnout time is looking great. I've got just make it look as terrifying as I can. Anyways, on to the collecting. Easy peasy, boys. I don't know what you said there. If I'm being honest. Yeah, I don't know why I'm like it sometimes. I don't know why. But okay, it's worth it. Anyway, I make videos. I don't have an upload schedule, so so if you guys if you guys join my server and friend me on Discord, then and then you can suggest then you can so check the AM upload schedule if you want, cause I really could use one. Cause I even really could use the upload schedule. Cause I don't have one, so I could really use one. If I'm being honest, I could really use one. So I'm basically invincible, cause whenever I die, I just come back to life in this game. But the Monster Game Pass, I was about VIP, cause why not? You also bought some, you also bought some, Game Pass and daycare, but, I'll do a, separate, video on that some other time, though. But for now, I'm just gonna emote. Or actually, I have to see about an emote that I forgot to equip, because, I forgot to equip them this emote. Because I already bought it, but I forgot to equip it though. Yeah. My character's so big. Ouch. I don't know. I have infinite lives. I don't need the banana general. I don't need the banana general, okay? I'm pass on the banana. Wait, I have to wonder. What happens when you don't what happens when you don't untie the noobs? What happens? I've actually never thought of that. I've actually never thought of that, actually. What happens when you don't when you don't untie all the noobs? What happens? I don't know. I might try that out next time, but not today though. But yeah, I actually do wonder what happens if we don't do that. Cause like you have to untie them, but well, what happens if you don't? Right? Cause like yeah, I know it doesn't make sense, but I don't know. I'll find out soon. I don't know when though. We'll see. When I get my Robux, I'm gonna buy some more emotes, and also buy some more stuff for my avatar. Of course, got you my YouTube shirt on because I'm a YouTuber, obviously. Are you scared of lightning? Lightning can strike me all at once, but it ain't gonna do nothing to me. It ain't gonna do nothing to me. Of course, General's glitched out and glitched into the thing. Yeah, I'm not that scared. Yeah, I got struck. Very funny story there. Whining. And just to prove that I'm not gonna take any damage. Look, I'm staying still. Out here, you'll see why. Here's proof that I'm invincible, and because I can't be killed. Yo, what's up, pilots? How you doing? You never see someone on here, do ya? Well, yeah, I do. So yeah, I bought the infinite life pack because I'm tired of just like dying and then just like and then I'm forcing to go back to the lobby. So yeah, I bought this instead, so I don't do it anymore. But the bad news is that I can't reset anymore. So if I have a little health, I can't reset. Oh wait, I can. Okay, that's right. Ah, crap. I spawn in here. Of course, still to sue on, but I'm gonna act with the monster pack. I just filmed the monster right before is very high. Let me in storage. Let me in. Okay, that's great. This is not what I wanted. I'm really stuck again. No, I'm not stuck anymore. Yeah. I'll save them all, and then I'm gonna eat them alive. First of all, why are noobs on planes? Trust me, I know what to do. What's wrong, bud? I mean, I know what's wrong, but some of you don't. So yeah, I just couldn't gone straight for her. That's right. I was gonna kill her. Nah. Oh gosh, yes, I was like so. You also might put the fish tank up for my fish too. I don't know when. I don't know when I'm gonna really do that. I don't know. Are you okay? No, he's not, because he probably had a heart attack. I don't know what he had. He didn't. Hey, where'd he go? He didn't even get a parachute. He's dead. He's literally as good as dead. And he's dead. They're doing a parachute. Alright guys, so if you're still watching, then this is the point where just the army soldiers, yeah, they think, yeah, you'll see. Yeah, and there's a point where you get the where you get the monster ending, and and it's these soldiers that will that is gonna shoot the crap out of you. You'll see. And yep, and General Alex, who is right there, says this. Yeah, it's a completely different ending. It's a completely different ending than all the other ones. Yeah. I'm not a creature. I'm a YouTuber. Okay. Yeah. See, there they go. And then they said, leave no witnesses. So means kill every single witness. And that's how I get the monster ending. I mean, I already got it, so yeah, I don't get the badge sadly. But hey, I already got it though, so I can't complain. And yeah, so all I need to do, all I need to do is to get the monster ending is just by to just buy the be the monster game pass. Then once get to the very end of the game to finish it, then you get it. So that's basically all you have to do. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, and then maybe I'll do more in the future. I don't know. But I'm gonna make a take care video next. So yeah, so stay tuned for that video. That might come like in like 3 days. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how my schedule is with some school meetings and stuff like that. I don't know. But till then, I'll see you all in the next video.